The most requested video, the house tour of the place I'm staying in, is here. Hi, my name is Sheshta, and this is my day 3 volunteering in Sri Lanka, living like a local with the locals. Here is the tour. That's the entrance, and look how beautifully they have maintained their garden. That speaks a lot about the kind of person you are by the way you maintain your place. It has so many cute sittings. I walk around and choose different corners to work, relax, watch sunset. This is the summer house, which essentially remains cool on hot days. That's where you enter inside. It has cute sofa settings with vintage looking photo frames of Nisha and her husband. There she is, playing with her doggos, Max, Liana, and Scooby. This is the kitchen, and the meals are prepared for the day. I can't wait to have it. She cooks the yummiest food. This is their son's room, who is my age, very sweet boy. Here is the master bedroom. I love small families, small homes with so much open space around. I love how I have adapted this place in such short time and how they also treat me like their own. By the way, this is my room with two huge mirrors and comfiest mattress. What else do I need? Hit that follow button to know how I got this chance to live with locals in a new country.